Hello students, let us solve this word problem which is used to find the length and breadth of a rectangle whose perimeter has been given. So the problem says the length of a rectangle is 5 centimeter more than twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 70 centimeters, find its length and breadth. So we'll start the solution by saying let the breadth of the rectangle be x centimeters. Also, it says in the problem the length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter more than twice its breadth. So, twice its breadth will be 2x and it is 5 centimeters more. So, length of the rectangle will be 2x plus 5. Now, also perimeter of the rectangle is given as 70 centimeters. And the formula for perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth, and which is equal to 70 centimeters. It is given to us. So let us now put the values of length and breadth in the equation. So 2 times length is 2x plus 5 and breadth is x centimeters is equal to 70. Let's solve the equation. So this is 2. This will be 2x plus 5 plus x equals 70. In the next step we have 2x plus x will be 3x plus 5 equals 70. Now let's distribute 2 or open the bracket. So this 2 will be multiplied. This will be 2 times 3x plus 2 times 5 equals 70, or this is 2 times 3x is 6x plus 10 equals 70. To find the value of x, we will subtract 10 from both the sides. So subtracting 10 from both sides. This is 6x plus 10 minus 10 equals 70 minus 10. So this will be 6x equals 70 minus 10 is 60. 6x equals 60. Now to find the value of x, we'll divide both sides by 6. So dividing both sides by 6. So this is going to be 6x upon 6 equals 60 upon 6, or x equals 60 upon 6 is 10. The value of x is 10, which is the breadth of the rectangle. So breadth of the rectangle is 10 centimeters. Let's find the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 2x plus 5. So 2 times x is 10. 2 times 10 plus 5, or L equals 2 times 10, 20 plus 5, or length equals 25 centimeters. So this is the value of length. So we got the value of length and breadth. So let's write our final answer. The length and breadth of the rectangle are 25 centimeter and 10 centimeters respectively. We're going to box the answer, and this is how we solve these kind of word problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. Let's take a recap of the problem. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.